Looking to feel healthier, happier, and more in tune with your best self? You've come to the right place. Welcome to We Do Wellness, your ultimate guide to modern health and wellness. On this channel, we're all about making wellness simple, accessible, and fun. From science-backed health tips to trending lifestyle hacks, we're here to help you thrive in every aspect of your life. Whether it's optimizing your sleep, boosting your energy, or tackling myths in the wellness world, we've got something for everyone. Wellness doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. On We Do Wellness, we break it down into bite-sized, actionable steps that fit into your busy life. And we stay ahead of the curve with trending topics like holistic health, wellness tourism, morning rituals, and so much more. Our focus is on building a supportive community where everyone can share their journey and grow together. At We Do Wellness, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Whether you're starting a new fitness routine, looking for stress relief, or just trying to live a little healthier, we're here to support you every step of the way. Ready to take the first step toward a healthier, happier you? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's build your best life together, one small step at a time. Welcome to the We Do Wellness family.